In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MoneyLion to Plaid. This is a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully linked your MoneyLion account with Plaid, enabling you to enjoy seamless financial tracking and management. First things first, let's begin by navigating to your MoneyLion homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. This is where we'll start our journey today. In this search bar, you'll want to type the word Plaid. This search will help us locate the Plaid integration within the MoneyLion platform. As you type Plaid, the search feature will start populating results. Wait for the search results to load completely. Once they appear on your screen, you'll see a selection of options related to Plaid. What you're looking for is the Plaid integration itself, so you'll want to click directly on the Plaid option that appears. Selecting this option will take you to the next step in the process. And there you have it. That's all you need to do. By clicking on Plaid, your MoneyLion account will connect with Plaid, enabling you to manage your financial data more effectively. With this integration, you can now enjoy the benefits of having your financial information in one convenient location. Whether you're looking to track your spending, manage your savings, or simply keep an eye on your financial health, this connection will make it easier than ever. If you encounter any issues during this process, make sure to check your internet connection and ensure that you're using the latest version of your web browser. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache or trying a different browser can resolve unexpected issues. And if you continue to face difficulties, MoneyLion's customer support is just a click away, ready to assist you with any specific concerns you might have. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on connecting MoneyLion to Plaid. By integrating these two powerful platforms, you're taking a significant step towards better financial management. Don't forget to explore all the features that this integration unlocks. And as always, manage your finances wisely. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day and happy financial tracking.